A fan of mtura like I am. That is what we'll be talking about today, the street food craze. We'll be talking matters food, and especially with the Britania that made our childhoods the memorable experiences they were. Today we have some sad news about Britania, but that and so much more coming up on this episode of Business Cafe. Good morning, East Africa and the world in general. It's 9:31 a.m. East African time. You're right on time for your Dawn Business Update. My good name is Brian Jojotieno and I am with
Brenda Kerubo. Welcome to the program.
All right, so we start you off. Britannia Foods is selling its biscuit manufacturing plant just 4 months after the company was placed under administration for defaulting on loans of more than 1 billion Kenya shillings provided by the Diamond Trust Bank and other creditors. The factory ceased operations in October 2020 due to low demand of its brands. Peter Kahi of PKF Consulting was appointed as administrator of the company in August 2021 by DTB, which owed about 900 million Kenya shillings by the biscuit manufacturer. Now, according to Kahi, the offers are invited by not later than Friday, 28 January 2022. Last year, Uzuri Foods Limited, which had supplied Britania with flour, filed an insolvency petition over a 17.3 million shilling debt for deliveries made in 2019. But Britania said the pandemic affected distribution of biscuits to hotels and schools. This, as well as the collapse of Nakumatt and Tuskys, which owed the biscuit maker more than 50 million Kenya shillings.
Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority, EPRA, is set to review the retail prices of petroleum products, which will be